LongShot AI is a generative AI tool that promises to help with content creation. But before you make a decision to buy, there are a few things you should know. With so many AI tools on the market, it's important to make an informed choice. Stick with me till the end as we compare LongShot AI with other popular generative AIs, helping you decide whether it's the right tool for you. Next thing to note, LongShot AI specializes in generating long-form content. This is great for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs in-depth articles quickly. Compared to competitors like Jasper or WriteSonic, which excel at short-form content, LongShot offers a more focused approach for detailed, comprehensive pieces. The third thing, however, is its pricing. While it does have affordable plans for individuals, its premium pricing for teams or larger organizations can get pretty steep, especially when compared to alternatives like Copy.ai or RTR, which may offer more flexibility for less money. The fourth thing to consider is the ease of use. LongShot AI's interface is clean and intuitive, making it a solid choice for those new to generative AI tools. However, some advanced users might find its limited customization options restrictive when compared to tools like Jasper or Phrase, which allow for deeper customization in their settings. Another thing to keep in mind is the quality of content. LongShot AI does a good job at generating coherent and well-structured articles, but like most AI tools, it still needs human oversight. When stacked up against other tools like Copy.ai, LongShot can occasionally miss the mark on tone or nuance, requiring a bit more editing and refining. Next, LongShot has decent integrations, supporting popular platforms like WordPress and Google Docs, making it easy to publish directly from the platform. While this is a big plus, other tools, such as Jarvis or Surfer SEO, provide more robust integrations with SEO tools to help you optimize content for search engines better. The seventh thing to know is its SEO capabilities. LongShot AI includes a built-in SEO optimizer, which is helpful for ensuring your content ranks well. However, it's not as feature-rich as something like Surfer SEO, which is purpose-built for SEO professionals. Another key feature of LongShot is its multi-language support. If you need to create content in languages other than English, it does an okay job. Still, when comparing it to competitors like Copy.ai, which offers better support for diverse languages, LongShot falls behind in this area. The ninth thing is the content research tool. LongShot AI includes a feature to help you gather data for your content, but it's not as advanced as the research features you get with competitors like Phrase, which offers a much deeper dive into online content and keyword insights. The 10th thing to know is that LongShot has a content scoring system. This feature helps ensure that the generated content is high quality, but, again, it's not as advanced as some of its competitors, which offer AI-driven suggestions for improving your content as you go. Now, let's talk about customer support. LongShot AI has solid customer support, but it's not as comprehensive or as responsive as some of the top-tier AI writing tools. Services like Jasper, for example, offer 24/7 support, which is something to consider if you rely heavily on the tool. The 12th and final thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. While it's easier to use than some tools, getting the best out of LongShot AI still requires a bit of time. If you're after something that's completely plug and play, tools like RTR or Copy.ai might be a better fit. So, is LongShot AI worth it? Well, it's a solid option for long-form content creation, and it stands out in its niche. However, if you're looking for something more customizable or with better support and integrations, we've got a recommended solution you can try for free that might suit your needs even better.